Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is May monthly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Cancer? Someone is coming towards you. It could be a past person, it could be a new person for some. But this person has so much love for you to offer, and this person is very, very romantic. And Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. Wish fulfillment. May month is very, very good month for you. Cancer, your wishes are going to be granted. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Queen of Wands, the Tower, and Eight of Pentacles. So in recent past, there was a Tower moment for you, and you are going through a lot, but you overcome that Tower moment and you stand by your power. Queen of Wands, you are taking your control back and you started concentrating on your career. Eight of Pentacles, you are very focused towards your goal. Yes, there was some Tower moment, but you overcome it. That was past. Then present, Eight of Cups, Eight of Wands, and Five of Swords. Maybe for some you are in separation with your person, for some you are in no contact. Even though you are in relationship, this is on and off connection. There are a lot of disturbances between both of you, misunderstandings, because Five of Swords. Maybe your person is backstabbed on you, cheated on you, lied to you. For some third party situation also involved in this connection. But there is a lot of communication is coming. Someone want to communicate with you back and forthly. Eight of Wands energy. In future, Nine of Swords, Judgment, and the Lovers. So you are still missing them. You are getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person. You are going to be make some major decision regarding this relationship in the month of May. And the Lovers. Yeah, love is there. I think your person may be giving priority to physical relationship more than emotional. There is no balance between physical and emotional in this relationship, because they are not available to you when you need them emotionally. Yes, some decision making. You are going to make some major decision regarding your life or regarding especially this relationship. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Gemini, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. But future energies are very, very very good, because Nine of Cups is here, wish fulfillment. So Four of Swords under the deck. Maybe your person is not in contact with you right now. They are undergoing some healing process, but they are thinking about you. So let's see their feelings towards you. Cancer. For some, a new person is also coming towards you. Tower, Page of Swords, Two of Pentacles. I think your person also undergoing some Tower moment right now due to separation, but they want success in this connection. Six of Wands, Page of Swords. They are spying on you on social media. They are watching you. They are juggling right now. Maybe your person is juggling between you and other person, between you and their career, between head over their heart. Definitely there is some juggling in your person mind right now, and they are watching you, and they are undergoing some Tower moment right now. So let's see their intentions. Death and rebirth, King of Swords, and the World, and Ace of Swords. So temperance, patience. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio or Sagittarius especially. So right now they want to communicate with you, some truth coming out. Yes, communication with clarity. Ace of Swords and King of Swords. Right now your person thinking through their logical mind. And death, yes, they want rebirth in this connection. For some, you both are separated. Maybe your person know it was ended between both of you, but they still want rebirth in this connection. They're still juggling. And the World, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. For some, the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. But I think there is some communication. They are planning to communicate. They are watching you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Four of Cups, the Moon. Yes, they are missing you. They are feeling missed opportunity with you. And Four of Swords. Again, they are healing themselves. They want to heal themselves completely before coming towards you. And maybe they are manifesting you. They are doing meditation. They are healing. They are doing healing. For some, your person is manifesting you. And there are a lot of illusions between you and your person. And they are missing you. But they want rebirth in this connection. But still your person may be juggling. For some family issues could be the reason. And still you are waiting. And yes, you also juggling. Maybe you also keep waiting on them. Maybe one part of you want to move on and one part still want this person back into your life. There is one type of waiting and juggling in you also. I think you both are on the same page. You both are juggling. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Maybe they're planning to come back, but again it is very, very slow moving energy. But you are fed up with this energy. Waiting mode. Cancer. Strong Pisces, the person involved in this connection could be. Page of Swords, spying. I think you both are spying each other on social media. A lot of spying is going between you and your person. And King of Pentacles. So stability. Maybe you both want to offer stability to this connection. You both are spying. Right now there is spying going. Yes, you both are juggling. Maybe you both are mirroring each other a lot. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. This person is sneaky. I feel so alone. I'm feeling sad without you. Passion. Lot of abundance is coming and holding back. So the messages are this person is sneaky. For some, it could definitely maybe your person is sneaky and holding back. Lot of abundance is coming and they feel so alone and they are feeling sad without you. And passion. Still there is lot of passion between both of you. These are the messages. Take what resonates. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Cancer. But lot of spying is going between both of you. You both are spying on each other. A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. And what do you need to release? Waning moon. So if you are thinking about your person negatively, so you have to release all those negative thoughts, especially about your relationship, about your person. And a win-win outcome is your forecast. Full moon in Libra. Definitely there is some win-win outcome is your forecast. Definitely luck is on your side. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.